Dixon, how are you?
I like basic and simple.
It smells right. Day 2, and where are we going?
LiQWYD.
Yes,
Right.
LiQWYD. Yeah.
Correct.
Good morning.
Yeah. So we're gonna have breakfast and then we're gonna drive over to LiQWYD next. The photo, are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
It's like big.
Oh,
Oh.
so good.
Oh, damn. Can you see? Oh, this is very special.
Epic.
I made this before.
This thing is so amazing. It's what is it called? Salted chicken, is it?
Salted chicken thigh.
Salted chicken thigh. Didn't make it for the ropeway, so we went to go shopping instead. Because it's winter, it closes earlier by 4, so everything like is early by 2 hours. Nice, huh? Okay, what are you gonna look at? Alright, on tight. Hi doggy. Hi doggy. Hi. Udon.
My phone is in my bag.
How is it for
So-
one person?
I have the one inside marshmallow.
Okay.
Like that, ah?
Anything, whichever. So my camera that.
Camera.
This is wow. Everybody.
Wow, I don't know how to explain, but
Wow.
the tempura with the melted marshmallow, the sweetness and the crunchiness and it's perfect. Next, we're gonna try the fried ice cream. They call it tempura ice cream. So inside there's ice cream, outside hot, inside cold. Let's check it out. Oh yes.
This is like
Malaysia.
トッピングにバター。
matcha?
はい
Butter.
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 Butter topping.
バターフレーバーと、はい、トッピング。
Let's try. Oh,
Welcome Hokkaido.
thank you. So kind. They say welcome home to Hokkaido and they give us this.
It's a fish shape, right? Can you show?
Yeah, it's shape of a fish. And inside they have red bean.
And on top is the butter.
On top butter. Okay, let's try. It's very different from the two. The other two is very sweet. This is not sweet. Not really sweet. It's just a very subtle sweetness of the red bean.
But I think the matcha is good. 100分.
So classic. We just finished lunch in the middle of like a farm area. Like there's no other building but this. There's no neighbors. It's like a random town and you see this nice little store. It's called something. You can order the recommended one, which is only 2,200 yen, which for what they give is actually not very expensive. They give you the king crab, the ingredient and all that. It's really, really worth. This is a perfect snowball. High speed shot. Không à, 我丢很小地方了。Perfect with the snow. Thank you, Lian. This is for memories. One day, come back here. It's right
Your
there.
anniversary every year.
Ah, come here.
Oh.
With you, ah.
Wow. Look at my face.
Where?
Oh.
Try the sea ham, the raw sea ham.
Look crunchy.
This thing is too perfect. I cannot.
And Paul. One more time.
Hamazushi. Yep. So we had sushi for dinner. I mean omakase. And for supper we are gonna have sushi. Oh, oyster. I see oyster. Relatively cheap. Got dessert, guys. Haircut. Ice cream.
Here got sushi bar.
We order. Yeah.
To eat dessert.
So when we order this, it will come by this train. On standby, waiting for food.
Yeah.
This is only how much? 150 yen, right? Or 150 yen. Let's see. Review. This is the cheapest sea urchin we ever found. That's a bit taste. Yeah. Cheap sea urchin, maybe not so worth.
Nope. No worth it.
It's the end of day 3. This car. The amount of snow. And going back to the hotel. Probably check out the onsen and yeah. See you tomorrow! Tomorrow we're going snowboarding. Okay, let's go breakfast. Woo! Good morning.
Morning.
You know where we're going today?
Don't know.
Don't know. I thought I told you already.
I don't know. Breakfast?
Yeah, breakfast where?
Oh, fish market.
Okay lah.
Fish market.
It's called Sankaku Market. So it's a big market with a lot of fresh food that opens at 8 a.m. It's San something Ling, what's that? Sanjiao Shichang. This guy doing dangerous one. This ice, like this color, it's really dangerous. It's like stepping on ice literally, and you just slip. Look at this.
It's wonderful.
My favorite. Very nice.
I can see the eel swimming. We're gonna have this guy. It's called the Hanazaki crab. Thank you. Alright. It's like it's not over. Almost 500, 400 plus. So it's like a breakfast and lunch.
Go to a market.
We spent almost 500 ringgit in the market, but it's really so good. It's really so good, so fresh, and yeah. So I think we have no more budget for the rest of the trip already. But I have to say, the Hanazaki crab is it's really. How's the Hanazaki crab?
It's alright. I don't really like crab.
It's alright. Okay, but if crab lovers or seafood lovers, I think it's pretty good. It's very nice.
You can just keep eating it for
Yeah,
a while.
it's so meaty. It's
And then
sweet.
by the time you realize, oh my god, I should eat a lot of it already.
This is one of the top few. If you're a crab lover, you have to try the Hanazaki crab. Okay, so next location.
Oh, we're going to skiing. Excited.
Oh, there's food here. Oh, snowboard. Check it out. I think that's for the fast one. Honey?
No.
我这下去好像会撞到那孩子。
Are you?
I'm stressed.
Oh, this is harder than I imagined. It's really hard. It's not that easy. Dun, 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 dun. We're going up. Going up. Going up. Hey! Honey! So many options.
It's quite nice.
The vending.
The machines are more efficient than ours. Finally, I got money.
LiQWYD.
It's like yogurt, but I got gas a bit on. It's like yogurt mixed with 100 plus.
I like it. Oh, carbonated.
Carbonated, is it? See?
碳酸饮料.
Oh, carbonated. It's last day, so we're gonna go eat breakfast or brunch, and it's gonna be ramen.
Let's go for brunch street.
Honey, what do you think of inside?
Cool.
Huh? Cool.
Very advanced game industry.
Okay, we're at 7-Eleven and I highly recommend this. This is life-changing. Japanese style salted fried chicken. Where are we heading to?
Pokemon stop.
Stop. We're going to a official Pokemon Center. I think the only Pokestop is outside of Japan is in Singapore. To our car and we're gonna go to the airport, and it's snowing really heavily right now. Check out the footsteps. So cool, so thick. Oh, bye bye. Last chance to enjoy the snow. How Dixon? So satisfying. Oh, so nice.
Ice kacang.
Master Dixon, we got it. We got a flight to catch. Take it off. Bye bye. Bye bye. Running. Thank you. Oh. Still got a lot available. Hey, 1K get NMD. 1K. Oh wow.